Visit lawsuit.com today or call 877-259-2539 to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We'll have an attorney near you evaluate your case and answer questions free. If you've been hurt in a motorcycle accident, you may be considering a lawsuit. If you choose to seek compensation for your pain, lost wages, or medical expenses, visit lawsuit.com first. According to recent NHTSA reports, over 500 California motorcyclists lost their lives in a devastating accident in 1 year. If you have lost your spouse, California's Loss of Consortium statute allows you 1 year to sue for the loss of support, love, and companionship that you've suffered. As a grieving family member or an injured victim, you can file a California motorcycle accident injury lawsuit. Lawsuit.com is the destination for information and news on current and potential lawsuits, and a place to find out more about your case and find the perfect representation.